Ade. Ado This is Navajo grammar, how things are talking about the Navajo language, about sound symbol, about little bits and pieces to make another word, about words, about paragraphs, sentences, how things are put together. So some people really like this idea, so we'll go with it. So this is kind of like what I would call a left brain learning, where you're talking about things. All right, so Navajo grammar, Nevzad, 2017, lesson 1, grammar, shi, ne, be. Okay, so let's go through these three columns. Let's take it a few at a time. Let's do these right here. So, and we'll go I, which starts with me, I, shi, and shi means me or I. Okay, me, be me, or I, or my. Now, when it comes to my, then we'll see what happens here. Okay, but right now it says I and me. Okay, and ne is you or yours, you or yours things. And be, third person, has both he and she and it all wrapped in one. And that's sometimes hard because English is not that way. English has these three words, and now only has this one word, be, be. And I think the explanation I gave was when we say be, we're including all living things, and so it's just it could be he or she or it, and rather than distinguishing them, we just say kind of like it, the word it. Okay. All right. So the next one is us two. Okay. We're not giving you all of it, but we give you I, you, he, she, and then us two. Okay. Sometimes us two gets involved. And we can make it into many also. But let's take these four words, these little words, and put it with other words. And in this case, we're just going to do two. We're going to do chide, car, hoan. Okay, hoan. Let's take that first one. When we take these first columns, she and chide, and we bring it together, notice what happens. Chide, my car. The I loses that high tone. And basically what we're saying is we're zeroing in on the word my instead of I or me. Okay? So that comes out to be shide, my car. Shide. Notice what happens when we add the word one and we add shi to it. Okay? Shi run. I've heard some people say one, but I've always just heard it sharan. Sharan. So we lose the HOO, but we just have sharan. Okay? And let's say we went to the other one and we said, hey, ne, how about you? You. Not mine, you. Ne, chida, ne chida, and naran. Okay, already you're seeing the pattern. The shit and chida goes together. The sharan and naran are basically losing the HOO. Okay, let's go to the next one. Be. All right, and the be, we add that to chida or hoan. The first one is shit, or not shit. Be, bichite, bichite, his car. Okay, it could be a man or a woman or somebody else. If a monkey knew how to drive, it would be bichite. And then the next one is bagan. So it's consistent. Shagan, nagan, bagan. We all lose the HOO. Okay. And then let's go to the us two idea. So this, when we bring those two together, we get nehechide. This is our car. So no longer is it mine. Okay. So it becomes our. And in this sentence could be 2 or 3, okay? Nihichide. Over here be his, his or her, or it. It's okay. Same right here. Sorry about that. So that's what we're saying right there. His car, her car, bichida. Over here it's just your car or your house and your car, nichida. Okay. Okay. So that's how it works. And then today because it's English. English. Okay, here we go. Okay, to have that red. All right, we got. Okay, so now you know. Over here, when you go to Nichiran, the H-O-O is lost, but Ran is kept. So that makes it our Nichiran. Our could be us two or more than maybe a whole bunch of us. Either one. So it works for both. Okay, let's go down a little bit further. This time we're adding, and let's change the colors a little bit so we have that distinction that we have two groups here. Okay, and let's go with yellow. Okay, so she, ne, be, nike. Now we're going to say with me, with you, with him. Okay, shich. So just add a slash L to it. Shich. And this time it's not you're not. It's not objects. It's more of some kind of a verb like play or talks with me. Okay. So let's take nane, which is play, and yalti, which is talks. So let's bring those two together, and this is what it sounds like. And we'll add a name. Joe shiknane. Joe plays with me. Okay. In Navajo, the verb always goes at the end, so that's why nane is always at the end. And anything that describes nane would be in the middle, and the subject is going to be whoever it is. Okay. So Joe shich nane. So now you're seeing the pattern in Navajo. And Joe with me plays. Okay. This is the and I might as well put that there. Okay, that's how it goes. Joe with me plays, which means Joe's playing with me. Okay. Joe with me plays. And these are the same way. Joe with me talks, or Sally actually. Sally plays. Sally shikhyashki. Okay. And let's go down to the next one. Here we say nish with you. Na ne and yashki. So Joe nish na ne. Joe is playing with you. Okay. So it'll be you. Or in Navajo sentence style, we put the verb at the end. Joe nish na ne. Joe nish na ne. Joe with you plays. Okay. And here Sally nish yashki. So Sally's there. Subject. And with me talks. So make it Navajo, we put the verb at the end. Okay. So maybe Yoda talks like this. I don't know. Anyway, it says Sally nishyashki. And so Sally with me talks. Okay. And the next one is Bish. Okay, with me, with her, Nane, Yashki. So Joe Bill na ne. Okay, so Shishnane, Nishnane, Bill Nane. This one changes a little bit. Na, you play with. Nane. Or, yeah, let's put the Bill because we're studying the Joe Bill Nane. Ne. Joe plays with him. Okay, I'm going to put with him. All right, so Nanane is with him. Joe Bishnane, you play with Joe. Uh-huh. You play with Joe. So what happens is you play with Joe. Hey, Joe Bishnane. Joe Bishnane. You with Joe play. Go. It's kind of saying you go play with Joe. Okay. Sally Bish. And we'll change this a little bit to Bish. Yeah. And see how the nish. So this is the you, right? Right there's the you. Okay. You with Joe, with Sally, and talk. Let's talk. Sally, Sally, you with Joe talk. You talk with Sally. I mean, you with Sally talk. That's what you're saying. Okay, the last one, nihil. Okay, so we say Joe nihil. Nane. Joe plays with us. Or in Navajo, Joe with us play. Okay. And Sally, what does Sally do? Nihil. Yashki. So Sally with us talks. Okay. That's what happened. So anyway, I hope you see patterns in here. Okay, that's all I wanted to do. If you have further questions, email me or call me. Okay, go ahead. Thanks.